Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging method for your headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2. And the first one is to use a USB-C cable, so just connect it to USB-C port on your charging case. We can see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. The second one is to use a USB-C to USB-C cable to charging it using your phone, right here. But if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect it to your phone and the second one to your headphones. We can also see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. The third one is to use a wireless charging station. So you need to connect it, of course, and as you can see it starts charging, but I don't know why we can see a LED light. Usually it have it, yeah, but it's charging. I don't know, sometimes this light just don't turn on. And also the last method, you can use your phone if your phone supports wireless charging, reverse wireless charging. So just put it here and it also charging your headphones. But again we can see a LED light, I don't know why, but it working. I tested it before and it had a LED light. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!